It's the Gemini Trader. Charts go up, charts go down, but we stay major.
Hello everyone, it's time to mark our chart for Bitcoin. The last month just ended, so we're gonna see how we ended in the previous month and we will plan accordingly. So we ended our previous month with a strong bullish candle, and we have an immediate support at 82,474. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off by marking my support here, and also I'm going to mark my all-time highs here at 112,038. Now we might retrace a bit in order for us to go back up. So the way I'm looking at is let's see how we go in the lower time frame. So we have a resistance here on a weekly time frame, and the resistance is at 109,071 to 067. However, this candle opened with no wick, which means it can grab the liquidity, go back down there, and then go all the way back up. And as we go down to 1 second, okay, so I'm going to readjust this zone, bring it back to 78,402, and now I'm going to go to the daily time frame, and I'm going to mark this resistance here. And you see, this is the area where the price rejected like multiple times. So this is a very strong zone. Some people, they set their limit orders at this zone because normally when candle goes below that zone, it grabs the liquidity to go back up. But I'm just going to mark this zone. This is my POI, and I'm going to mark one more zone, and I'm going to mark this here, okay, and at 103,923,000. Now as we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we have an immediate resistance at 110,160, and also we have it at 108,833 and 840, and another one at 106,083 to 087. As you can notice, this is the area where the price rejected multiple times, so I'm going to take that into consideration. I'm going to readjust this support of 104,000 to 104,109, and I'm going to add one more support at, guess it right, here, 103,535 to 531. I'm going to adjust this zone to 102,947 to 952, and I'm going to add one more support to 101,797. Okay, so we go move on to the 2-hour time frame, and 2-hour looks pretty much solid. Just need to adjust our zones a little bit here. Actually, I'm going to move this resistance to 106,459, and I'm going to I'm going to add this resistance. The reason being is the price rejected this zone, so for me, that setup always works at 105,939. And then we move on to 1-hour time frame. At 1 hour, I have at 107, 105, 704, and we have a support at 104,902. So if this candle closes below this range, then we are looking for this big fill. So that's what I'll be looking for. And I'm going to add one more zone to 107,069, because we have a clean range above that side. So if we get bullish and we close above this range, close above this range on an hourly time frame, then we are looking to fill all this, at least 70% of this zone. So yeah, I'm going to adjust this a bit here, 103,369, and as we move down to the 30 minutes time frame, we're going to readjust our zones here at 105,773 and I'm gonna move this to 104,750. We also have one more support here at this point, 105,014 to 105,010. So if the price closes below this, we are looking to fill this range, and if it's below this, then yeah. I'm going to share my trading plan on Bitcoin just in a bit. I'm going to mark this resistance here, 105,534. Okay, folks, it's time to now plan our trade. So this is what I'll be looking for. I'm looking for a support here, and then since right now the trend is overall bearish, so I'm looking for a counter trend trade. So I'm looking for some initially support to be made here, and then resistance. Then I want the resistance to be broken by support in order to hit these targets, and then this target, and then this target. For the sells, as well, the sells look pretty solid. All I want is to candle to close below this range, give me a resistance. That will be my TP1, and then if the candle closes below this level, I'm looking for this wick fill, and then we are looking for this target, and then ultimately if the candle closes below this, because these are all targeted for free ranges, sorry, clean ranges. So this is pretty much my trading plan for Bitcoin. Just remember that we are living in time of wars, so you have to be really careful. Market is extremely volatile. There is absolute uncertainty what is happening in the market. So stay careful and protect your capital, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.
Yeah, it's subscribe now, don't be late. Gemini Trader dropping knowledge straight.